Welcome to Craftability Foundation video. Today we're going to make a little owl, and it can be used as a potted plant. Should be rather fun to make. This is what we're going to be making today, and it's great for young and older kids as well. The first thing you're going to need is a stapler, a plastic cup, paintbrush if you have one, and water. This is for your little ones, or tempera paint if you have. Some tape, some googly eyes if you have, some markers, scissors, parent supervision. We've got our stapler. Oh, and of course we need brown sandwich bags, paper bags. Maybe about 3 of them, and a paper plate, obviously, for your paint. And I think that should be everything. And then you can use glue for the googly eyes, or I'm just going to use a little piece of tape most likely. So we'll see. So I'm going to get started here. The first thing you're going to need is your, you can either use like a solo cup if you have one of these plastic cups, or even better if you have one. I just had one of these lying around, so an old plastic cup is ideal. What you're going to do is you're going to take your paper bag like this, and you're going to put the plastic cup inside like so. So you've got the bottom of the vase like this, and you're going to tuck these. This could be used as for artificial flowers, or even you could use a little pot of plants and put real flowers in here too. And you're going to just kind of place it up here like this. All right. To do this with the little ones, we're going to do the wings next. But before we do that, the child can decorate the wings first on the paper bag, and you can have them use marker, or paint, or whatever they want. I'm just going to add a little bit of quick design here. I mean, design, but kind of a color. And I'm going to add a little bit of green. These are going to be the wings of our owl. If your child wants to make feather type effect, you can do that, or you could use actual feathers, mostly when it's bunched up, not beforehand. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the one end like that, and I'm going to cut off the other end like that. And these are going to be the wings, and then you can just have them. You can either help your child make a fan type of here, like this, like that. And we're going to do the second one, and I'll cut off the other end of the bag, and we're going to do the same thing here. Okay, like this. And actually, with plastic, you can staple right through. So I'm going to do this. This is going to be the front here. So for it to be able to see it, I'm going to staple on the wing, and you can tape it as well just in case to secure it if you'd like. I'm just going to staple it like so. That's the one wing, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I kind of just bent it a little bit here so that I could staple it at the end like that. And it's stapled onto the cup. Again, it's through the plastic, and it generally works pretty well. So you've got your out here. Now, I'm going to do some feathers over here. Again, you could just have your child decorate however they want. So I'm just doing a scalloped design here, like so. Okay, so there we go. All right, now we're going to do the beak. And the child can either draw the beak, or I've just got another bag here. And we're going to kind of make a diamond shape out of the bottom of the bag. So we've got that kind of, and you can talk about a rhombus with your child, or older children. That can be stapled on. So we've got the beak. You could have it even come down a little bit like that, so it looks like it's. Okay. And then you've got, you know, I'm just going to color that in real quickly so you can see it better. I'm sure there's some great story books that you could do along with this style. I'm going to do some more on this side here. Okay, so you get the idea. Okay. We're going to add some eyes to this real quickly. Got some goofy eyes. I'm going to first draw out, let me see if I can get a little color here. A darker green so you can see better. We're going to do 2 circles here. If you have goofy eyes, great. If not, it's okay too. And we're going to put in on our goofy eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of tape. I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on there. Okay. And another little piece of tape. Oh, we're going to just get our goofy eye on there. It's starting to come together. And another piece of tape on the other eye. Again, you can just glue it. Okay. And another goofy eye on there. Okay. And then to make it more owl-like, they've got the little feathers on top. So what I did for this, for mine, at least my sample, I just took a strip of the bag like this, like that, and then I just put one above one eye like that, and stapled it on. Right, and took the other little piece and put it above the other eye like that, and stapled it on. And then to add the feather effect, I just did little strips. Let me show you there. Some little strips like that. And little strips like that. And the same on the other side. So it kind of looks a little feathery. Okay. We've got that so far. Okay. And then we're going to, last but not least, add a little bit of paint onto here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on. You can just clean it with stickers, watercolors, whatever you have around the house. A little glitter. And then they could also do the back of it too. And you can add your little flowers. So again, the artificial flowers or real flowers you can put inside here. And there you have it. Here's your owl vase. Thanks for watching.